let's get started. That was a lot of fun.
Laugh right
I know.
do it.
Hi, I'm Daven from the Customer Experience Group here at Start.ca, and today I'll be showing you how to unbox our new Mercku Mesh router system. Let's get started. So here we have the new Mercku Mesh router system in its box. And there's going to be two things that we see inside here. We're going to see the Mercku Base Station M2 Queen unit, and then the white cable box, which we'll focus on first. Inside the front flap, you're going to find the setup guide. This setup guide has some handy pictures and instructions on what to do with the Mercku Mesh router. And then inside the box, we're going to see that there's a power cord, but first we're actually going to pull out this little white pouch, which has a red Ethernet cord in it. And inside, there's the red Ethernet cord. Then we can go ahead and pull out the cardboard flap, which has the power supply. Just feed the cord right through this hole here. And there we go. The power supply, Ethernet cord, setup guide, all there. So now that we have our cables, let's go ahead and get the M2 or the Queen unit of the Mercku Mesh router. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and peel off the dust cover coating on the top of the Mercku Mesh router. The Queen has a very sleek design that will fit well with home decor in most situations. On the back of it, we're also going to see that there's a white LAN port for your local network, a red internet port for your modem connectivity, and a little reset button to factory reset the Mercku Mesh router. But we're going to learn more about that in a future video. For now, let's go ahead and unbox the B. So now that we have the B box, we're going to go ahead and open it up. Right away, there is a guide there for the B. Similar to the guide for the Queen, it has friendly pictures and instructions on what to do. But we'll go ahead and put that to the side, and I'll show you the actual star of the show, which is the B. So you'll notice that as you're pulling it out, there is a cardboard cover there that actually slides off on the top of it, and then there is another dust cover that we can peel off for a clean, sleek top to this B. The B is actually just a wall plug, so you can plug it right into a wall socket, maybe put it somewhere like under a table. Wherever you put it though, it's going to have a nice design that is sleek and fits with your home decor. On the bottom of the B, there is a red button that you can press, but other than that, there is no other buttons needed. You can just plug it right in. Your Mercku Mesh system may be just a Queen, but if you've also purchased the additional B units, then you can plug them into wall sockets in different rooms to extend the Wi-Fi where there may be dead zones. For example, you may have your Queen in the basement and then try to get internet on the upper floor. A B unit plugged in on the main floor gets great signal from the Queen and then redirects that signal upstairs. For more information on setting up your Mercku Mesh router system, please stay tuned for an upcoming video on how to set that up with your home network. In the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our support agents 24/7 at our Customer Experience Group. You can also reach out to us over social media. Thanks for watching.